Hello, everyone. I would like to welcome you to this decimal chain AMA session that we are once again, another week running, doing in collaboration with CoinMarketCap. As usual, I'm your host. My name is Nick. I'm Chief Business Development Officer at Decimal. I have recently joined the Decimal team in order to work towards giving the brand a stronger global presence and expanding Decimal in various global markets. I would like to focus especially on the English speaking community and expand it as much as possible. I'm very pleased to be part of the Decimal team, and I'm excited to be working with top tier professionals on such a promising project. Now, in case you're new to Decimal, I will provide some background on the project. Decimal is blockchain infrastructure used to create decentralized apps for developers. Decimal is the best blockchain supporting builders around the world, creating crypto apps that scale today. Applications, contracts, and tokens created on Decimal are automatically supported by the IBC infrastructure, which means they interact with networks such as Cosmos, BSC, Thorchain, Osmosis, and Secret. Now, to begin with the AMA. I will be answering a few questions that we got from our community this week that the team and I have found to be interesting and informative. I will do my best to give you guys some satisfying answers, clear everything up, and ensure an interesting and informative AMA session. This week, I will be talking about launching your project on Decimal. I will go over the process of creating your own customized token and explain the details of how the platform gives developers an easy solution to creating their own coin. Now, I will begin with some history of the company. The first version of the BTT token was made on ERC20 protocol, since there were no good alternatives to it at the time. At this time, the first obstacle was identified, which is the difficulty that comes with the process of creating a customized token. Even today, in 2022, finding a qualified specialist that can create a smart contract for a token on Solidity is no easy task. In the years 2018 and 2019, this was borderline impossible. Ultimately, the process took 6 months and ended up costing between $200,000 and $300,000. However, technology was exponentially developing, and in 2019, Cosmos SDK becomes a popular solution for people looking to create tokens. The creators of BTT decide to use the platform to bring their ideas to life. Because of the new technology, the help of a developer was not necessary, and the whole process was quick and simple. Despite these factors, there are still issues involved in the process. Technically, there was a problem with scale, and organizationally, there was a problem with the marketing side. With the creation of Decimal, these issues were ironed out. Decimal was created as a user-oriented platform, allowing people without programming experience to create their tokens quickly and easily. The creation of a token on Decimal takes 3 to 5 minutes and does not require the help of an in-house developer. The token will be announced to over 120,000 users, 93 developers, and 59 validators, therefore providing an immediate result in terms of marketing as well as potential for collaboration with other developers. A voting will occur, and the results will send the tokens to the BitTeam exchange in less than a week. Due to EVM compatibility on DEX, which includes exchanges like Dels.io, PancakeSwap, and Uniswap, which allows the tokens to be added to the CoinMarketCap database. This means that in less than a week, the token is listed on multiple exchanges and gets recognized by the biggest rating agency in the crypto community, which is CoinMarketCap. The Decimal team created a developer app for Ledger, which allows for another voting process that will soon occur through Decimal DAO. Tokens in the Decimal database will have their own Ledger app. The creators of the token will only have to connect it to GitHub for verification. Now, to start with the questions. We received quite a few questions this week from the community. We chose some of the best ones, and now I will begin to answer them. The first question reads as follows. What instruments should be used by beginners when creating a crypto project? To answer this question, I will say that Decimal provides a wide selection in terms of instruments so that creators have all of the tools necessary available to them. These tools include everything starting with a launchpad for the incubation of projects, the creation of a token supported and backed by the Dell currency, Dell token, smart contracts, the creation of NFTs and SFTs, a multi-sig wallet, and developer apps. Upon the release of the smart chain, the DAO will also become available. Question number 2. The second question for this week was, will I be able to send listing tokens on Decimal? Will you help with the listing process? Yes, the answer is yes, of course, we will help with the listing process. Now we are expecting the listing of BTT on CoinMarketCap, and after this listing occurs, we will announce a support program for developers with free listing of Decimal tokens on various exchanges and tokens being added to the CoinMarketCap database. Question number 3 this week is, what incentivizes you to help projects that might be competitors for Decimal itself? Aren't you concerned that the competition will take your spots on the market? To answer this question, I will say that the philosophy of Decimal is making complicated technology easy to use. Since we have gone through the process ourselves, we know how difficult it can be to create a crypto project from scratch. It can be hard, unpredictable, and scary. With this in mind, we want to pave the way for new projects in crypto so that the industry expands as a whole and more people become involved in it. We want to give everyone an opportunity to try their hand in crypto and let people know that every problem has a solution. We are also willing to help with business solutions. There are many crucial steps in the process of starting a project. Since we were able to learn from our own mistakes, we are now fully prepared to help others avoid them. We will want to share our experience and help new projects grow. We will only be happy to see someone grow their project from nothing into a successful venture using our expertise and our technologies. Now, that is all the questions for this week. Hope you were able to learn something new about Decimal, how it was started, what its purpose is, and how to actually make your token on Decimal. I hope the guys that asked questions were satisfied with the answers you received. I would like to thank everyone for tuning into the session as usual. It was a great pleasure hosting it. Please keep attending our AMAs and asking the great questions. We're always happy to hear from our community and discuss any topics of interest to you all. As usual, we would like to hear feedback in terms of what you think of our AMAs and how they can be made better. Please reach out to us in Telegram or other social media platforms. Reach out to us any way that's comfortable for you and let us know what you think about the AMA process, the topics, and anything else that you might want added to these sessions. Now, with that, I will have to finish for this week. I would like to wish everyone a great rest of the week and hopefully see you next time.